Recording. All right. So, hello everyone. Welcome to another educative video from Jayfx. And as promised, today I'm going to be doing a video about crypto, basically how to place your trades on cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. Because I know a lot of you have been complaining that based on the J Crypto House, you guys do see a lot of nice analysis and stuff like that, but it's a little bit difficult for guys to trade on the Binance app or other exchange, not knowing how to trade, being basically a Forex trader or something like that. But a lot of guys were asking in the crypto community that I do a video um on how I do the crypto trading and stuff like that on Binance. So this is a tutorial on how to actually trade cryptocurrencies, the same way we do trade the Forex, USD and stuff like that, how to actually trade coins on Binance app. Okay, so I'm doing this video with a friend of mine named Eddy Wyckoff. He's actually here with us right now. He would be helping us, with the information of the Binance app and stuff like that, how to actually go through with this stuff. Because I'm not really familiar with this, because I'm more of the Forex kind of guy, and I just buy and sell my cryptos. I don't really trade them. So Eddy does Forex and also crypto. So I think he would be the best person, to first ask the question. So I'm going to be asking some questions, basically for a beginner and someone who doesn't, have the familiarity with this field in particular. So Eddy will be helping us to see how, he could teach us how to actually place trades on Binance app. Okay. So Eddy, welcome to my YouTube channel because this video is actually going on YouTube once we're done. Okay,
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Yeah. So how do we actually do this now? This is like the face of the app, using your laptop, and okay, maybe in the future I might do one on how to really trade it on the phone. But I think the background and everything really looks familiar when you're coming from your phone and actually from the laptop, because I'm really seeing some
Yep.
familiarities between them too as well.
Yep.
So if you were to trade crypto right now, let's say you wanted to trade BTC USDT, because
Okay.
really crypto stuff is kind of like confusing for me when it comes to those um
Okay.
X10 or was it 20x leverage and stuff like that, because
Yep.
Forex is not really that kind of field, and we just do the lot size and the pips, and the SL and the
Yep.
TP. But I do see some guys using the X10, X20, or was it 20x leverage, something like that. Could you give us a little insight of what you think, or what is that in
Yeah.
particular?
So, okay, basically, when you go to trade cryptos here in Binance or on any other exchange, you can either trade your cryptos in spot, meaning that you buy a crypto, right, and you keep it. It's yours. It's in your wallet, right? If price goes up like 1%, like your portfolio will go up 1%. If it goes down 1%, your portfolio goes down 1%. That's basically if you buy it in spot. Like, first of all, you need to deposit, like, let's say you buy $100, 100 USDT, right, which is 1-to-1 with dollar currency.
Yep.
So let's say you have $100, so 100 USDT or Binance USD or USDC here in Binance, right? So you have $100. So what Binance is going to offer you is that you can buy any crypto. As you mentioned, you want to buy BTC. So if you go to market, right? Yep, go to market. Yep.
This, right?
Yep. Click on market.
Okay.
So right there, what you're going to see is that Binance is going to give you a lot of coins or tokens or crypto that you can go ahead and buy, right? So right here, if you go here to market and you go there to trade, you see where it says trade
Yep.
next to
This
okay, perfect. So go down just a little bit.
spot or margin, P2P, which one?
Go to spot.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so where can I actually point out? Because I would like to touch screen, but I don't see
You
the
could annotate, you know, it's written by the side of the screen, you know, around the menu, you would see where it says annotate, you know.
Let me try to see if I can help with it. Annotate. I don't see it.
I don't know. I'm always the host. I don't know how that stuff looks when, you know, you're a participant or something like that. But it's really there, you know. It's kind of like at the menu part, you know, where the more option is, you know, you see the more option, you know, like the three dots, and then when you tap on it, you see annotate, share screen, stuff like that.
Let me see, because I'm actually on my computer. It's not showing it. But if you scroll down, can you try to scroll down a little bit? No.
On this part, or
Yep. Yeah. On that spot. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just go down a little bit. Okay. Perfect. Just go down a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Okay. That's great. So, okay. Let's suppose that we have $100, as we mentioned before.
yeah,
You see right there, you have spot, you have cross 3x, you have isolated 10x. So if you'd like to buy a spot right there, you see that it's already selected with the yellow thingy. Oh, correct. So the same as in Forex, if you place an order limit right there, let's say right now Bitcoin is around $19,187. Let's say you want to buy it at 18,000, correct?
yeah.
So
So
perfect. So you put
I
in,
should put a
yeah,
18,000 over here, right?
yeah, exactly. You could actually put in the price 18,000, let's say, and where it says total, right below that,
Yeah.
you said right there. Let's say you want to buy $100, $100,
Okay. That's like
$100.
100 USDT, right?
Exactly. So what pretty much this is going to do is that it's going to buy you, if Bitcoin goes to $18,000, it's going to buy you 100 USDT
What of
exchange to
Bitcoin?
the Bitcoin price. In that case, you're gonna get 0.00555 BTC, right?
Wow. Oh,
So if you
this is
click on
like a
buy
buy limit.
BTC, that's gonna place an order in the market, right? Can,
Oh,
can,
so
can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. So what you're trying to say is that this is like
Can
a
you
buy
hear me? It
limit,
was like
right?
cutting off.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me, bro? Yeah, I think his network is having some issues or something like that.
Exactly. That's a buy limit order.
Yeah, exactly. So, you know,
Okay.
this has familiarities with, you know, like the
So
Forex buy limit and sell limit stuff, right? You know, like we're setting the buy limit at 18,000 and we're like expecting price to, when price
yep,
gets to 18,000, you know, our buy limit gets big and we expect price to go higher, right? Buying
exactly.
$100 worth of US.
That's correct. So you're buying 100 USDT worth of Bitcoin. In that case, you're gonna get that much, which is 0.00555. If you would like to sell, that's the only difference when it comes to trading in Forex or MT4 is like if you'd like to sell Bitcoin, for example, right now in any broker that offers you cryptocurrencies, you can go and sell any lot size like 0.01. You can sell it. But here in Binance, if you'd like to sell it, you need to have the Bitcoin first. Like you'd have to purchase it. Like you need to purchase, let's say, for example, you have 100 USDT, right, worth of Bitcoin. So let's suppose we have that amount. So if you want to sell it, you go to where it says sell BTC. You see right at the
Yep.
bottom. Perfect. If you put in right now 0.0055, where it says some below that
Yeah, right?
right there. If you see that you put in, let's say the amount 0.00555 555, correct. So you see that the amount that is given you is $106. What does that mean? So this example, you bought 100 USDT worth of Bitcoin at 18,000. So you got 0.00555 BTC. If you were to sell it at the price it is right now, which is 19,180, you're gonna get you're gonna get $106, meaning you're getting a profit of 6%. If right
Nice.
there, as in Forex, if you place an order to sell, if you, for example, let's suppose we're assuming that Bitcoin is going to 36,000, which is 100% from 18,000. If you sell your Bitcoin at that price, you should get how much? $200. So if you change the price right there, where it's 19,000, change it to 36,000.
It's six. It's 6,000. Sorry.
Not seeing it right there. Yeah,
6,000.
right there where it says 19,191. Change it to 36,000.
Yep. I think I did it. Yeah, I think this is 36,000, right?
To
0.00.
36,000.
Oh, that's like 199.
Is it me or I'm not seeing it change?
Yeah, it's showing. I don't know. I think the network is messing up again. But I think I imputed the price and it's like $199.8 worth of BTC. All right.
Oh yeah. Oh, now it's showing. I don't know why it was not showing. So if like, so in this example, the same thing. You bought it at 18,000. So you have this much of Bitcoin, 0.00555. And then if Bitcoin goes to 36,000, which is 100%, you're gonna get $199, which is most likely 100% of what you bought of Bitcoin. So
Yeah.
this is if you'd like to trade it spot. As so there, if you'd like to sell it at market price, you can also do it. You see right there that it says limit and market, like just a little bit below.
Yep.
You said
Yeah.
right there, if you go to market, pretty much what this is going to do is as if you go in Forex and you buy your USD, like you just click buy. That's
Oh, like an
buy
instant
a market
execution, right?
order. Yeah, exactly. So if you buy it right there and then you go
Wait, I have a
exactly.
question. I have
So
a
if you
question. Sorry.
mhm,
So on this part, we were setting limits, right? I
correct.
didn't really hear you talk about the stop loss, like is there no stop loss about the stuff like um
If you buy it in spot, you don't actually have a stop loss to how is it called, to protect your order when it comes to spot.
what?
When you have it, so hear me out. Hear me out. If you have how's it called, an order, right? For example, you buy this much of Bitcoin, right? And then if you want to sell it, like, remember, if you buy something and it hits your stop loss, pretty much that means that somebody else is buying your order. Your stop loss is a sell, so somebody else is catching it. So for example, you bought Bitcoin at 18,000, right? So if you have that much Bitcoin, you go to sell and you place an order below price. That means that if price goes below your order, it's gonna take you out at that price, like if you'd like to do so. Like right here, you put it at 36,000, meaning that if it goes up, but if it goes down, let's say, for example, put in 17,000 right there. Yeah, 17,000.
Yep.
Yep, perfect. And you see that your $100 worth of BTC now are $94.35, meaning that's like minus 6%. So that's the way for you to protect. Like that's like putting your stop loss, I would say, in spot. Like if you bought Bitcoin at 18,000, but if it goes to 17,000, well, you sell it because you don't want to keep it because it could continue going down. Let's say
Oh,
we
nice.
are
So that's
speculating
like
this.
me creating two orders, right? So I'm
Yep,
having a sell
exactly.
order and also having a buy order. So the sell order is gonna be like the stop loss, if price gets to 17,000, kick me out. And the buy order is like if price gets to 20,000, bring me in. Something like
Yep.
that.
So the as I mentioned before, the only difference when you're trading Forex or with Forex brokers is that you can buy and sell at any time. Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Just 1 second. Somebody's calling. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so the only difference here on exchanges is that, for example, if you're buying at spot, for you to sell it, you need to have it first, right? That's the only difference. If you go right now to your Forex brokers, you can sell or buy Bitcoin at any price. That doesn't matter because it's a little bit different. Here, if you buy the crypto and you want for you to sell it, as mentioned before, you need to have it first. You have to buy it first. You have to purchase it, and then you can sell it at a higher price, or you can set it to a lower price, meaning that if it goes down, well, you sell it there to a discount. That's the only difference when it comes to trading it like if you were trading Forex.
Yeah.
This is spot.
Okay.
I
Okay.
don't know
Makes very clear.
if
Very
it was
clear.
okay.
Yeah, very clear. But I have another question. Sorry about
Yeah.
this stuff. I'm saying like 100%. I don't know when I click on it, I see 100. It's 99
Mhm.
for it. What's the meaning of this stuff? Is it like I don't know. Could you enlighten us a little bit about this?
Yeah. So if you like, for example, you have let's say right now you bought $100 worth of USDT at $18,000. So that gives you the amount you see there, 0.0055. So let's say you go to where it says sell, and you want to sell 50% of that amount at, I don't know, 20,000. So put right there, yep, 20,000.
Okay.
20,000.
Oh, sorry. No, yeah, that was not 20. Yep, that's it.
Okay, perfect. And you put in 50%
Okay.
right there. Below that, it's gonna give you, it should give you an amount. The why is not showing it because you don't have, well, there is no USDT on the account. So
Yep.
if you have any USDT right there and you want to sell it at that price, what's pretty much doing is that you're selling 50% of what you have of worth of Bitcoin at $20,000. So you sell 50% and you keep the other 50%. Like for example, in Forex, because a lot of people are used to Forex, let's say you put in 2 lots, right? Price goes up 50 pips, but you think price will continue going up. What do? You can close partial, meaning you can close half of your position and you leave the rest pretty much running. Will be the same thing right there. You have any X amount of Bitcoin and you sell 50% of that at that specific price, and you can keep the rest just for price, just for you not to drop your entire order in case you'd like to do that.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Very clear. Very clear. Okay. So I think you were about to go to market, right?
Yeah, that's like a market order. Like if you
An
buy
instant
it,
execution, right? Like just putting the
yeah,
amount and the
yeah,
price.
exactly. So for
Yeah.
example, right now, the same thing. Let's say we're buying $100 worth of USDT. Put in $100.
$100.
Okay, we go down just a little bit down. Okay, price. Oh no. Okay. Okay, okay, I see. So right now available USDT is 0, so that's why it's not showing the how much BTC you should get.
Oh yeah,
But
yeah, yeah. This is a, like I just recently opened Binance account, so there's really
okay,
nothing inside.
okay. So well, in that case, like if you were to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, what is going to show you right there at price is that
Oh,
gonna give you
so
like the
this is like
amount
the
of
instant
Bitcoin you.
execution, right? So if I just let's say we
Yep.
do a technical analysis on BTC USDT, right? This is like BTC USDT,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yep.
And then we're like, BTC is, let's say on a bearish trend, and we're expecting some
Mm-hmm.
bullish trend right now. So we will
Okay.
like prices right here, and just let's say there's a forecast saying price is going to be heading back up to this
Yep.
point. Okay, so all we have
Okay.
to do is come to markets, right? Then go to
Yep.
trade, come down to
Market.
not limit, but market,
Mar
right? It's instant execution, right?
market order.
Yeah,
Yep.
market order. And then all we have to do is just put the amount of USDT which we want to buy um,
Yep.
on BTC. And then price just instantly buys us on that spot, right? So if BTC
Exactly.
goes up
So
to let's say 30,000, and then we want to sell
mhm,
that BTC, all we have to just come here, put the amount of USDT or BTC we have right now, and just say sell
mhm.
BTC, right?
Exactly.
And
And that's gonna execute at market price, any market price. If you'd like to forecast that it might continue going up, like right now you buy it at 19,000 and you think it's gonna get to 30,000, so you can sell, you can put in a sell limit. Or if you're like looking at the markets every day and price hits 30,000, you can go to the market and execute it immediately
nice.
in
So
this
so so
part.
once I sell 100% of my BTC, it converts into USDT immediately into my account, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
So I just instantly get a screenshot that I just executed a trade, and then I just made some certain amount of percentage of that trade, something like that, using spot. Or is that
Yeah,
futures?
like for no, that's in futures. If you'd like to see like a screenshot with the percentage that normally happens in futures. I don't
Oh,
think
okay,
Spot
okay,
has that option.
okay. So you're saying um
Mm-hmm.
that's all we do in spot. So spot is just like the easy guy, the buying and selling and stuff like that. Just easy.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice, nice. So futures, it's the complicated one. Who has the 10x leverage and the screenshots on
Mm-hmm.
a certain amount you make, right?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
so let's say we're about to do future trading. So we really appreciate you doing this. You just literally just taught us how to actually trade cryptocurrency on the
Mm-hmm.
Binance app, and I really appreciate that. But could you give us a little
Mm-hmm.
insight on how to actually do the spot trading if we're actually about to do spot trading right now? And what would be your advice, how to actually go about that stuff?
Right now, like to either buy or sell Bitcoin, you mean?
Yep, yeah, yeah, on spot. Let's say we were about to buy or sell Bitcoin on spot. What do we do? What's the difference between spot and you know,
In
futures
futures.
trading? Let's say we're about to
Okay.
do that on futures.
Okay, so what happens is when you're trading spot, you're pretty much getting the crypto itself. You're getting like if you buy a Bitcoin in spot, you're buying a Bitcoin. You can send it to your wallet, and that's your like if you have an external drive where you can keep your Bitcoins, you can send it there, so it's yours. That's the only difference when it comes to futures. Because on futures, what you are trading is not the Bitcoin itself, but rather if it's going up or if it's going down. So if you go to futures, right, to put in a trade, let's say you're leveraging. Okay, so I think that I gotta explain cross and isolated. I think you see it there.
Yep, this
So
guys.
yeah, so always remember that we have to keep risk management on place because that's the first thing when it comes to trading, risk
Yep.
management. So if you're trading cross, meaning cross margin means that if you put in a trade, let's assume we have $1,000 account. So let's say, for example, that you buy Bitcoin you buy it using a 50x leverage cross. This is cross, right? So if we were to trade this specific asset in futures, if you buy
Oh,
it,
so this
right?
is actually futures trading right now.
Yeah,
Oh, so the future trading is like going to cross or isolated, right?
actually you can to make it easier. Can you go up? Can you? Yeah, go up, go up. go to where it says trade, yeah,
Yeah.
and go to where it says margin. Yeah, go to margin right there.
Okay. Oh, nice. It looks different now, I think. And it
A
looks like
little
it's the
bit.
same thing.
Yep, it just looks a little bit different, but okay, just go down a little bit.
Yeah.
Mm. I just want to check. Go up, because I would like to show where you can change the leverage. Go up a little bit. Oh, this is a new account, right? I think
Yep.
it's not okay. Go up. I think for the broker to let you change the leverage, it's going to send you to answer some questions. But uh, can you try to go up just to check if it does give you the option? A little bit up, up, just a little bit up.
I think this is
See.
the highest.
Okay, I'll go to derivatives. I'm sorry,
Okay.
derivatives. Yep. Go to USD and futures. Yep.
Yep.
There. There. Perfect.
Oh, wow. Another view.
Okay.
Hot
Perfect.
futures. Welcome to Binance Futures. We got like an introduction over here. You
Yep.
know,
Leverage, margin, and so we will go over that. This is just for people to kind of understand. So right there, you see where it says BTC USDT perpetual, right?
okay, so
So
so let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. All right, guys, please. This is like a beginner's tutorial, basically for spot trading, right? So if you really want us to do a video on futures, basically mainly on futures, you could give that in the comment box below, and then we would look into that also. All right. So this is like a summary. So within 2 to 3 minutes, all right. So if you want us to do something like that, you could leave that in the comment section below, and I would look for a way to schedule that also. And this is Eddy Wyckoff, all right? So you know me already, I'm Jayfx. And if you want to know more about Eddy and you want to see more about Eddy, you could check the description below. There's a link to my technical analysis channel where I share my crypto analysis. And you already know how to trade spot. From the video so far, you can see Eddy has really taught us how to use the spot trading. And if you want to practice that, and you could also get accurate analysis from my technical analysis group for crypto, link in the description. Or you could join Eddy for Wyckoff technical analysis also on his own channel, which the link is also in the description below. Okay, so give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We will be doing more breakdowns because this is like the first episode of this particular crypto education, right? So we're just teaching you how to execute trades on crypto. And in the nearest future, I'll be doing more videos, maybe really frequently because I want to do like a mentorship on how to really trade crypto like Forex, all right? So this is the first one we teaches you how to actually execute trades on your Binance app. And we would also do a episode 2, which also like a tutorial on how to do the trading on other exchanges as well. Okay, so if you want to, register your Binance app as well, link also in the description. You could follow the link over there and get a Binance account for yourself, right? So you could get that and the tutorial on how to fund your account, how to open your account and everything, how to operate the wallet would be given on the channel below. So the best you could do right now is subscribe and, on the notification button to get a notification when we post a new video, okay? So Eddy, could you just give us like a summary on how spot works? And maybe in the future, we could do another video on how to actually do future trading in the futures, so we
yep.
don't stress you that much. We really appreciate
Okay.
your time.
Not a problem. So basically, spot trading, as we discussed before, is where you go and you buy a crypto and you have that crypto for yourself. You go to any crypto, it might be BTC, Ethereum. So you buy that any amount that you have available in your account. You need to deposit first say you deposit $1,000, so you can go to the market, you buy $1,000 worth of any crypto, and you have that on your wallet. You can send it to another exchange, you can send it to any external drive, so you can keep it. And when you sell it at a specific price. It might be lower or it might be higher for profit or just to protect your account. And that money goes into your spot USDT account as well. So spot is not leverage, so it's your crypto, the one that you're buying or selling. That's the only difference.
Nice. So what would you say comparing spots to futures? What's the difference? And is there any advantage really, or any specific stage you could be in trading before you try out futures or spot trading?
So let's put it like an example as in Forex. If you have $100 and you'd like to make more profit, like people are so risky sometimes, are risky sometimes. So if you'd like to make more profit, you can go and buy any asset like EURUSD. You buy a one lot. So if that trade goes against your 10 pips, account is gone. Or you can buy 0.01 and you have like more margin for you not to lose it. So here, if you buy it as spot, if you buy it as spot trading, actually, the asset will need to go against you 100% for you to lose all your money. So pretty much, spot gives you more security. In the end, I mean, it's not that an asset cannot go lower like 100% because well, markets can happen. Anything can happen in the market. So
Yeah. So the
that's the
safest
only
to trade is
difference.
actually spot trading, right? For beginners, right?
The safest, yeah, correct.
Okay, all right. So thank you all for joining us today. This would be the conclusion of the first episode on the crypto mentorship, free YouTube mentorship. And we'll be looking to do more like this in the future. All right. So give us a subscribe and also check out the links on the description to join our technical analysis channels or Telegram. All right. So thank you all for joining and wish you a happy day. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Eddie. Thank you, Eddie. Really
Bye.
appreciate it. Bye, bro.
Thank you.